This is how to log into iStation on the Castleberry ISD elementary student iPads. You'll find the icon that says iStation Login. This is the one that has the dark edges and a circle around the iStation logo. Once you click it, it's going to take you to this screen. You'll select Login with Google. Next, you'll type in their last name, first name at students.cisd.net. That's their full email address, and click Next. You'll need to give the iPad permission to open the app for iStation, so you'll click Open here. Sometimes it will take a little while. It's normal for it to load for a bit and to give you a message that says attempting single sign-on. Once it's loaded, it will pull up a menu screen that looks like this. In elementary, the two subjects that we focus on in iStation are reading with iSIP and math with iSIP. So you'll select whichever of those your teacher has asked you to complete for that day. Next, it will start their iSIP test. The iSIP test is a progress test that shows us how much growth they've made each month. So you'll see this once in April and once in May. It does give the children the test automatically, so you don't have to worry about getting it set up. But when you see this box down here at the bottom that says iSIP in progress, it's very important to let them work independently so we can truly see how much they've grown since they've been remotely learning from home. Once they finish their iSIP test, that blue box will disappear and it will take them directly into activities that focus on the skills they need work on the most.